Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and the KSC Bidding Consultant Program. And in this video, we're at a 28,000 square foot facility. The building hasn't been open for years, and they are trying to get an occupancy permit. So we were called to do the kitchen first. When I first went to the walkthrough, it was for the whole building. Kitchen, whole building, everything. Didn't know the bathrooms was messed up though. But they didn't go with that because they weren't ready for that piece yet. So what they did was they hired us to deep clean the kitchen. So we deep cleaned the kitchen. He had hired a plumber to see what was wrong with the toilets. And so the plumber told them that they needed new toilets. Well, I'll show you some pics. They didn't need new toilets. They just needed them cleaned with some acid cleaner to bring them back to life. So we got hired to do the bathrooms, 51 bathrooms. And mind you, all of them didn't flush. So we had to manually flush some of those bathrooms. So that got started. Then they wanted us to fix the facility to be like move-in ready. It was a old nursing home. You'll see all the beds and stuff in there. It was an old nursing home. Well, the scope of work for that, I couldn't bid that. And I didn't want to bid that. So this is what I did. I did time and material, which means we'll work until completion on an hourly rate, and they'll pay for any materials or anything that I had to, use for the job, plus the supervisor rate and profit, of course. So that's how we're doing this project. Because when you don't know what to do time and material. Because I didn't want to overbid and mess up a relationship, and I didn't want to underbid and I don't make no money, or wouldn't even have made enough to do the site and had to negotiate prices and all that. Don't nobody want to do all that. So just watch this facility. It's big, and how we stage some of it. We're finishing up. I want to complete it tomorrow, Sunday. Today's Saturday. I want to complete it tomorrow, Sunday, because we have a construction project on Tuesday, and I want to give them a day break before we start the next project. So check out this video, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm here on my project this Saturday, seeing what needs done and what's completed and how many bathrooms we did, along with this other work. So, we got one bathroom. Okay, those are connected to, let's see, 3. They're Jack and Jill, so they're connected. So 3, 4. And we had to go through here and make up all the beds too. 5. So we staged the rooms so that it looks like it's open, so that they can get their occupancy 6. Report. 7. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, 8. 9. This is different. Yep, 9. 10. All right, y'all. Then I also gotta see what else they need to do. So this here area. Okay, 11. You want to clean up? Wait. Where I stop? 11. Where I stop here. I counted that. So we start here.
What's with these 12?
Okay, that's combined. Okay, here's one.
13.
Okay, they in this room, so I see
13, too.
doing that room. That's not a bathroom.
I didn't count it.
Right here.
13, 14.
So this room gotta be, this stuff gotta be taken out.
14.
Okay, that's the same bathroom.
15. Oh, that's the same one?
Mm-hmm.
There's 14.
There's one in here. Let me see if it's cleaned yet. Yep. Okay, this one's clean, so this one's ready.
That one?
Uh-huh.
14.
Okay, so we'll start. We didn't go that way, but let's do this hallway. No, let's do this hallway first. Okay, so that's another one.
15.
Oh, we came this way.
We did? Oh, yeah, we did it.
Yeah, so 14. Here's one.
We just counted that one.
No, we didn't count that one. We just
15?
came from back there.
Okay.
This
15.
one. They're the same. Here's one.
16.
They're the same. Here's one.
17.
Okay, here's one.
18.
Not near. That's our storage room. We made that a storage room. Okay, there's one.
19.
Here's one.
20.
Here's one.
21.
There's one.
22.
Here's one. 24.
24.
Okay, here's one.
5.
Here's one.
6.
There's one.
7.
Here's one.
8.
Here's one.
29.
Here's one.
30.
That's the same. So these rooms need clean. Here's one.
2.
Here's one.
33.
Here's one. Here's one. No, nothing in there. Oh, we gotta go back some more. Okay, so here's one. Here's one.
37.
No, that's a different one.
Okay.
Here's one.
7.
Here's one.
38.
Here's one.
9.
Let me see.
40. Oh, no, that's the same.
Okay, so 39.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we came this way. So let's go. Oh, we didn't do this side. Oh, we did come this way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I got 39 bathrooms.
Did we didn't come up here, did we? I don't think we came up here.
Can't remember.
I don't think we came up here. Count this one.
40.
Oh, no, we came this way.
Yeah, so
I remember that one. So 39.
Yeah, 39.
So now on the other side of the building.
Oh,
This place is huge. Let me see which way we go. Oh, we going the wrong way. That's why I've been counting these just so that I don't
okay.
count them so that I don't miss nothing and keep going over it because it's so big. You want to make sure you don't miss nothing. I'm gonna have to start counting the rooms. So that's this side. Alright, go down here. No, we came this way. So we're all the way on the other side. Like we started there and we came here. So there's 39.
Right.
Okay, so there's 39. Now I need to see what they need to do. I know I want them to take these chairs out of here and set up these tables. Set up these tables. This was a mess in here, but they got it cleaned out, yep. Set up the tables. I seen some rooms they were doing with the vacuums in it, and let me go look at this closet. Let me go this way. Yeah, so they gonna have to come in here. Oh, here's a bathroom right here.
40.
Yeah, they just have to fix this neat. Ain't nowhere to store. Actually, we'll make this a storage room. Because we have to put all the... We can't make a storage room in a Jack and Jill space.
Okay.
It has to be a full room. And with all that stuff I seen neat move, look at all the stuff. They can move it right over here. Because that's a Jack and Jill space.
Now tell me what a Jack and Jill space is.
Meaning that room can use the bathroom and that room use the same bathroom.
Okay.
Yep. That's why when you seen that, they were the same.
Right.
Because they
That's Jack
share.
and Jill? Okay.
Yeah, they share bathrooms.
Hello? What's going on? Oh, you still coming over?
I gotta clean this out.
What?
Alright, so we're almost done here. I see they're in here.
Just go to UPMC. Just see where we're at. UPMC.
We deep cleaned the kitchen first. They gave us the kitchen and then we got the rest of the work.
Yeah, this is bad.
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, TK.
We staged this room here. See, these chairs gotta go in here. I didn't know where to put these chairs, so I put them in here. But they need to go in the kitchen. I mean, in the little cafeteria space. Those tables I'm not gonna fill yet because there's too many empty down here. All right, y'all. stuff done before my team get here. So this is turned into a time and material project because it's so big, you don't know how to charge it. So we did time and material. All right, y'all. Talk to you later.